Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fish game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. From here it will search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam under library section. Here you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for it. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, from here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general, here you have to type -DX11, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. From here you have to click on check for updates. Wait for some time. Once your Windows is updated to the latest version, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, from here you have to select it and under GPU preference select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just select your game from Steam. Now right click on it, click on properties, under general, here you can enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to clear cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on settings. After that, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it after log into it. And once you log into Steam, now click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. C++ file. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, click on the link, go below, click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. So click on it and click on, after that click on yes. Now wait for some time, and once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall how to fetch game, and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve how to fix game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.